I got the driest feet. This bag was only £1. I don't want to share my bag with my partner, so I'm kind of scared, but Zoflora. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jen here. I'm so excited to say that this video is in collaboration with CHERRYZ. If you haven't heard of CHERRYZ, they're an online shopping app. You can get items ranging from groceries, household and homeware items, as well as other essentials that you might need. Sort of similar to Home Bargains and B&M, full of bargains and essentials, but even better because you can shop online and everything just comes straight to your door. So all the heavy bulky items just come straight to your door, so you don't have to struggle in the shops anymore. You might be thinking, Jen, but if it's an online shop it might be a bit more expensive, but that's when you're wrong, because they are so cheap, and some of the items on there you can even get a deal on it, so it gets even cheaper. And CHERRYZ have kindly gifted me a voucher to purchase items on their app and share it with you guys in this video. But wait, that's not all. CHERRYZ have also given me a discount code to share with you guys, so you can get a discount on your first purchase with them. It gives you 20% off all the items that you purchase on their app, and all you need to do is click on the link in the description box down below and download the CHERRYZ app, and you'll only work on the CHERRYZ app, and use the code JENSANOS20. I'll pop it right here, and this helps support me by letting them know where you came from. I'd like to finally say a massive thank you to CHERRYZ for supporting this video, and I hope that you enjoy my haul. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so I've got a massive box of loads of different goodies. So I've got a range of groceries, household, like I said before, and cleaning bits as well. So I'm just gonna share with you guys. I've got my list over here to make sure I get the price right, so I can let you guys know how much everything was. Everything's really cheap. It's basically like £1, less than £1. So it can range from about, I'd say, £1 to £10, but you'll be mostly on the lower side of it. So let's start. I'm so excited to just dig in. I could not wait to start this video so I could finally start eating all the goodies that I got. So first things first, with no particular order, I'm gonna start with these fruit winders. Right, so I've got some things that I know I like in this box, but I also got some things that I'm really excited to try. So for example, my partner told me that these are really good, so I'm excited to try these so I can let you guys know if I like them or not. So this one, you get 5 rolls and it's apple and strawberry flavour, so I'm excited for that. And this was £1. Okay, I'm back, just had to let my 2 cats out. So next item is this bag of pretzels. So these are baked pretzels, original sea salted, and this is what it looks like. And I am so excited to eat these. I haven't had pretzels in what seems like years. Yeah, so I'm really excited to just try these. My partner's also really excited to just eat these because he's been asking for me to buy this for like ages now. So yeah, so this was £2. Oh my goodness guys, I didn't realise, but I actually got 2 packs. So this also was £2, and you know, I know why I got 2 packs. It's because I don't want to share my bag with my partner, so So next up, we've got these mango chutney poppadom curls, and this was £1.40, and I haven't tried these before, so I'm really excited to see what they're like. I love anything sort of like mango, passion fruit, that sort of thing. So this is going to be right up my street. So that's what it looks like. Well, it seems like I got another pack of these as well, so 2 packs I guess. So yeah, I guess my partner and I will have a bag each again. Very excited about that. Next up, we've got some Jammy Dodgers mini, and oh my goodness, these are my absolute favorite. This bag was only £1, and it's quite good in terms of calories. So you get 6 packs in here, and each pack contains 88 calories, so that's quite good. So you can have that with a cup of tea. I love that. So next up, we've got these strawberry pencils, and these are also, a lot of this stuff is my favorite because they seem to just have my favorite things on there, which is amazing. And this is also £1 for this big pack. So yeah, this is just the perfect stack. Reminds me of going to the cinema and having these. It's so delicious, so I'm just excited to eat this after this video. So next up, we've got these strawberry and cream sweets, and I remember having something similar to this as a kid, and I just wanted to see what they were like, if they were gonna be similar. They just sounded really nice, and it's sugar-free, and it's only 13 calories per sweet, so guilt-free. I'm just excited to try these and see if they're the same as the ones I tried as a kid. You're probably thinking, oh my goodness Jen, why so many snacks? But don't worry, I've got a guilt-free type of snack now. It's this Skinny Crunch bar, and you get 5 chocolate orange snack bars, and they're only 75 calories in each bar. So I'm excited to have this again with a cup of tea. Would be perfect when you're feeling like a little something but you don't want to eat like a whole cake, so you can have one of these and that's perfectly fine. And on that note, I also got this Skinny Whip double chocolate snack bar, and this one also sounds amazing. I haven't tried any of these yet, any of the skinny sort of bars, but I've heard really good things about them, so I'm excited to try them. I'll keep you posted, see if they're good or not, but they sound really nice, and 99 calories, can't go wrong. And this one was also £1. Next up, I got these Chupa Chups lollies, and this one says Sour Infernos, which I'm kind of scared, but this looked really intriguing, so I just wanted to try and see what they're like. And this was also £1, so yeah, I'm excited but a little bit scared because look at that picture. Right, so I've been on the lookout for a caramel syrup for all my iced coffees and hot chocolates and all that. So this was perfect. This is the salted caramel 0 calories syrup, and I'm just so excited to try this. And yeah, it's 0 calories, I can't believe it. This was £3.35, and I'm just very excited to make coffees with these, and it sounded really nice. Salted caramel, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, fat-free, sugar-free, 0 calories, and diabetic-friendly. So yeah, excited for that. Next up, I got my absolutely favourite sweets, which are squashies. I absolutely love them, and this was only £1 as well. And it seems like I'm doing food first, but don't worry, there are other items here like household and skincare that I forgot to mention, but they do skincare as well. So I'm excited to have a pamper night, and with all these sweeties as well. So yeah, so that's my sweets. Okay, so the last item from the food department are these green sliced jalapeno peppers, and don't know about you, but I absolutely love spicy food and anything that comes with it. So hot pepper, jalapenos, perfect. So I'm really excited to have this. This is perfect if you're making a plain sort of like macaroni cheese and you just want to spicy up a little bit. You can just put a few in there and it's just unreal. And this whole jar was 90p. So everything is really a bargain here. So you're really not breaking the bank account. And with that discount code, you get it even cheaper. So unbelievable. That was it for the food department. So I'm moving on to some skincare, sort of pampery items. So first item is this charcoal mask, and it's a charcoal detoxifying bubble mask. And I just thought this was really intriguing because I think it's them ones that I've seen before where you put it on your face and then it starts like bubbling. That's what I think from the name. So I'm really excited to try this, and it's apparently really good for cleaning out your pores and all that. And this was 90p, so very, very cheap for a pamper evening. So next up, I've got another face mask, and this is the Brightening Vitamin C Facial Sheet Mask, and this was £1. I'm just again excited to try this on a pamper evening or after a hard day of work, and this would be really relaxing. So it's a vitamin-rich serum, target dull, dry skin to hydrate and renew. So next up, I've got this foot pack. I'm very excited to treat my feet to this because I've got the driest feet. Not that you want to know, but I got the driest feet on earth. So this is gonna be absolutely amazing for that. It's a deep moisturizing foot pack with tea tree and peppermint, and I'm just very, very pleased to try this. And this was £1. Okay, so next up for the skincare, I've got this facial wax strips because I've got a bit of a tash, and just thought I'd just try one of these because I don't think I've tried any of these before. It's really bad, but I normally tend to just shave, but I heard it's quite bad to do that on the upper lip area. So I'm going to try these because apparently waxing is better. So I'm excited to try this, and this was £1.50. And then I really wanted to try this nose pore strips because it says helps shrink pores and it should get rid of all the blackheads. So I'm excited to try this, and I think my partner would like to try this as well because we talked about this before. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. This one was also £1.50. Next up, I've got these gel eye patches. This one was also £1.50, and I very much need this, especially in the morning. I've got absolutely dark circles under my eyes, so I'm excited to try this brightening gel eye patches. So it says it's enriched with vitamin C, hydrolyzed collagen and glycerin. Helps to brighten appearance of tired eyes, helps reduce pigmentation. So I'm excited to try that. It comes with 4 pairs in the pack. Okay, so that was it for skincare. Now I've got the final category, which is household items, sort of cleaning items as well. So I've got some very exciting kitchen roll, and it's a 3-ply kitchen roll, and this was £1. Yeah, there's not much to say about it, just a kitchen roll. Just needed it. So next up from the cleaning department, I've got this Fabulosa disinfectant spray in the scent of wild rhubarb, and oh my goodness guys, it smells absolutely unreal. It smells so good, so sweet, and that's what I love about cleaning products. It just leaves your house smelling absolutely amazing, and whenever someone comes in, they can just smell it and it's just perfect. This is a 500ml bottle and it was only 90p, so just can't ask for more. This is amazing. So I'm excited to clean my house after this video as well. So next up I've got this elbow grease all-purpose degreaser. So I really wanted to use this on the stove and just in the kitchen really for the stubborn dirt. So I can't wait to use this. And it was only 95p for this whole bottle, so what a bag. The next up, right, so I haven't got a car or a driving license yet, but here's for hoping that I can pass it soon and get my car. I got this car air freshener and I absolutely love the vanilla scent on things, on absolutely everything. So I got this 2-pack car air freshener and this was only £1.35, just to sort of like remind myself, you know, motivate me to just get it done. And hopefully I'll soon have my little car and I can put this in it. So exciting stuff. Next up I've got this elbow grease scrubbing pad. I've seen a lot of people use these. I haven't tried it myself, so I thought let me just give it a go, and yeah, I'll keep you posted on this as well. I mean, it feels like it'll be really good for the bath and sinks and whatnot. So it's dual sided, so you've got the sort of the side for like the tough sort of dirt, and the back you've got the soft part that's non-scratching, and this was 95p. Now last but definitely not least, I've got the Zoflora, and you know me, I absolutely love Zoflora, and this is a spiced plum Zoflora, so I'm very excited to smell this. Oh my goodness, there she is. Let's give it a sniff. Oh. Do you know what this smells like? It smells like, I'm very bad at explaining smells, but this kind of smells like wine, and wow, that's really nice. Like a sweet wine. Oh, I really like that. That's blooming lovely. Oh no, that was not the last item. We got, right, so my partner, if you're watching this, look away now, because this is your birthday card and I don't want you to see it. So my partner's birthday is coming up and I got him a card, and this was £1, but I thought it was really cool. He's gonna be 21, but I just thought it was a bit ironic. It says, "You still look 21 from a distance. Happy birthday, you old dinosaur." Don't know, I just thought it was very ironic because he's gonna be 21 anyway, so yes, I got him that, and that was £1. Right, let me just check if there's nothing hidden. No, that's it. That was it for my Cherryz haul. I really hope you enjoyed, and thanks again to Cherryz for supporting this video. I'm very excited to just go and eat all this and clean my kitchen, as I mentioned. And if you wanted to try any of these or have a look on the app as well, you can shop there and use my discount code if it's your first time purchase, and you can tag me on Instagram if you do. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, as well as hitting that notification bell so you don't miss my next videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.